non-stop rainfall at Gangtok. Heavy rainfall at Gangtok. It's not stopping. It's been like a week, not just a week. It's been like a month, but it's not showing any signs of stopping. I guess little hailstones are also falling from the sky. See how dense the rainfall is. Very dense rainfall. In Sikkim, Gangtok, they are shattering hailstones also. Hailstones combined with rain is a disaster. You see the vehicles are getting a pounding from hailstones. Thank God the hailstones aren't that big in size, or else the windshield of the car would have scattered and messed up really bad. As you can see in the roof of the car, there are lots of hailstones the size of berries. But don't be fooled by Sikkim's weather, because last year a hailstone was the size of a golf ball, and it did a lot of damage to crops and vehicles, even birds and all. So this is what Sikkim is all about. It's when it comes monsoon, Sikkim is an untrustful for its weather. Sikkim has a bad reputation for the landslide, hailstones, heavy rainfall, earthquake. So as you can see how heavy the rainfall is. The students are, carrying an umbrella and going back and forth to their school. So they are having a hard time. They don't even have money to, stop a taxi and go to their home. So because of this rain, the students, not just students, every living being in this state is having trouble, having a hard time. So very, very dense rainfall, very, very heavy rainfall. I hope it stops. These hailstones are gonna, break the windshield, I think. As you can see, the hailstones are scattering all over this vehicle. Hope it doesn't crack the windows. Thank God it's only the size of some berries, because at the year 2007, these hailstones burst out from the sky, and it was the size of golf ball. See how non-stop rainfall is pouring in Sikkim. It's cats and dogs. What the fuck is this weather all about? The weather is damn upset at Sikkim. See the amount of hailstones dropping from the sky and the amount of rain. Rain and hailstone is a damn dangerous combination. It's gonna, mess up all the crops of the farmers. It's gonna damage vehicles. It's gonna cause landslide. It's gonna be threat to birds and see, there's a small flood in Gangtok, Bararai. Yep. So this year, 2003, this is the heaviest rainfall recorded in Sikkim. Rainfall with hailstones.